Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be checking out a new plugin by Waves and it is called IDX Intelligent Dynamics. And the best part is this plugin is completely free for this Black Friday weekend. So if you're interested to check it out, let's dive right in. IDX Intelligent Dynamics. IDX is a frequency-dependent compressor that responds dynamically to energy in specific frequency ranges, maximizing the effective energy of each element. According to Waves, by intelligently identifying and reducing areas with less useful energy, and it brings forward the expressive parts of each track without affecting its natural tone or requiring complex EQ or sidechain setup. With just a few controls, IDX quickly enhances your track's presence and impact in the mix, letting it cut through with ease. And by the way, you can use this on any elements in your production. So I'll be trying it on guitar loop and drums. Alright, I believe you heard the impact on the guitar sample. Now let's try it on drums. Let's take a closer look at the features it came with. To the left here, you can see the speed knob, which is the attack knob, to determine how fast it reacts to the signal. And below here, you can see the knee. You can switch either to the hard or soft knee. Right here, you see the input signal and the output processed signal. Here is the priority band tilt, and here is the threshold control. Over here is the output. Below here is the quick match, which is when you click on it, it instantly resets the overall output, matching the original sample's volume. Okay, above here is the auto gain, and below here is the mix knob. And to this section is the window where you see what is happening, and you can see some factory presets it came with that you can try out. And finally, it is resizable up to 200%. So guys, that is pretty much about this plugin. that will be it for today's video, guys. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.